Welcome everybody. Today's video is going to show you how to compress videos to make them smaller so that they're faster to upload. As always with our videos, make sure if you want to slow us down or speed us up, you can hit on the gear wheel in the bottom right hand corner for a YouTube video, and then you can always watch from one device while you work on the other one. So I'm going to go ahead and hop out, and you're going to see in this case we need to use the app iMovie. So if you do not have it, go ahead and download it from self-service. I'm going to open up iMovie. In order to do this, I'm going to make a new movie. So I'll hit the plus button and I'm going to make a new movie. I'm not actually going to do any editing in this video. I'm just showing compression. So I'm going to come over here to my video files because I know that's what I'm looking for. And I'm going to grab a video that I've made. So notice when I tap on it, it highlights. I'm then going to hit the check mark to select it. And then down here, I'm going to create a new movie. That just went and threw in the whole movie that we have. I'm not going to do any editing, so I'm going to hit done because that's all I needed was to put it into iMovie. And then it gives me the options down here with my Share-O. So I'm going to hit the Share-O and I want to save my new video or movie. And for speed, I want to make it as small as I can. If I need to increase quality, then I want to increase the file type. But since we're talking about compression, I want to make the video the smallest file that I can. So when you choose that small file type, it's then going to export the movie and it's going to send it back to your photo roll. So when this is done, I'm going to open up my photos and I'm going to show you where you're going to see the original file type. So here it says exported to photo library. I can go out, I'm going to pull up my dock and I'm going to come over here to my photos and you'll see that I have now the one that I just recently downloaded, and actually the original one's up here. So this is the file, the more recent one that I now want to go ahead and upload to YouTube. So I hope that helps you guys, and we will be seeing you soon.